What's up, my fellow loan officer friends? It's Azubuike with Edge Home Finance, back at you with another loan officer blueprint where we're talking about how you can take your business to the next level. So in this video, we're expanding on number 3 reason why you should join Edge and become a mortgage broker with Edge Home Finance. And that's ultimately to be your own boss. Now, I ain't gonna lie, that line right there may not be as appealing to some of you, right? Because some of you may feel that, you know what, I really like my boss, or my branch manager's been really supportive and he helps me with this and that. You might feel that you need a little bit more guidance and hand-holding, maybe, even if you're earlier in your career, and that's fine, you know? Ultimately, at the end of the day, we're not trying to act like we're the best setup for everybody, but if you're somebody that has been in the business for a while, you're experienced, you're self-motivated, you don't really need the hand-holding anymore, you don't really need the coaching or the guidance, and you're ready to go out on your own because you're ready to see what kind of opportunities it gives you, well, we might be a good setup for you. You should definitely look into checking us out because this is ultimately where you get to be your own boss. And the way it works is it's the same setup as in retail as far as hanging your license under a company. Edge Home Finance is the independent mortgage broker that we're licensed under, so our license is under the mortgage broker. And it ultimately allows us to act as an independent mortgage broker. And the beauty about it is it's a very entrepreneurial type culture with Edge Home Finance. You don't have any branch managers, you don't have any sales team leads type things. You literally come in and you get to run business however you want to, as long as you're abiding by the book and the guidelines and the rules. You can run the business that you want to run. The next point I point out here is that it's remote. It's flexible. You can run your business wherever you want. You can run it at home. You don't have to show up to a brick and mortar office to make somebody up top feel better about having that set up, right? You can use your commissions to pay for an office if you wanted to. Ultimately, as we get to this next point here, you can build your team, have whoever you want to hire as far as a processor, in-house processor, loan officer assistant, but also know that you have the flexible options to tap into the resources that the company has already laid out for you as far as vetted processors, approved contracted processors where their fees are basically paid for by the client, and there's a good list of all that. So however you want to run it is completely up to you, and that's the beauty of it, is there's complete freedom in it because you ultimately make the call for yourself, whatever you feel is best for your situation. Obviously, when you come over, we can talk about specific ways you can do that. I can give you little bits and pieces of advice of different options and give you samples of what folks have done that have come over to Edge, how they've set up their whole business and what they're doing. So we'd love to chat with you more about that. Definitely feel free to give me a call if you'd like to set up an Edge demo where we basically give you a Zoom call, see all the differences as far as how our rates look in comparison to a lot of retail lender options or even what you're seeing on a day-to-day basis, and go from there and keep the conversations going. So hopefully this information was helpful. We'd love for you to subscribe if you feel like the content was helpful. We'd love to see you back again in another video. We'll see you soon. Till next time, take care and God bless. Thanks for watching. If you found any of the content helpful, please subscribe, hit the notifications icon so that you can be informed of the next video upload. And if you're a loan officer that's interested in joining Edge and you think it might be the right fit for you, please give me a call or text so that we can set up a demo. Hope to hear from you soon.